Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Cerrado Gold Corp's channel, a cash flow focused precious metal mining and exploration company, forefronting the industry as always, Chief Executive Officer Mark Brennan. Welcome back, sir.
Hey, thank you very much for having me back.
And always a pleasure to have you back, man. Happy New Year's. But to kick this off, we got lots to dive in with here because you guys are a very exciting company. I mean, Cerrado Gold, just to kick the year off, achieved record gold production, head grades, and operating margin at its Minera Nicolas mine. You want to just kick us off, give us some insights there?
Yeah, you know, we made this acquisition in March 2020, just during the peak, you know, at the very beginning of COVID. So it's been an interesting time for us, but we've been hard at work. The team have done a great job. We produced record 15,000 ounces in the fourth quarter. Very profitable. We've now come out of our restructuring. When we made the acquisition, we knew that we were going to have to structure the mine and the operations. We've completed that. Now we're seeing pretty steady sailing, a minimum 50,000 ounces a year at probably that $1,100 cost. All in, so looking very healthy, very profitable, and very good.
That's what I love to hear, man. Do you want to just offer a little bit of I know we're sitting in a mixed market for Q1 between hyperinflation, this kind of COVID resurgence, which hopefully will be the last hurrah, and we'll hopefully see the end of this by the summer. But is any of this affecting the business? What kind of guidance can you offer us here out of the first quarter?
Well, I mean, I think in terms of obviously this Omicron splurge in cases, we're seeing a lot of firsthand cases as opposed to second, third degree of separation. So all the mines, globally, we're seeing this very significant splurge. But in terms of so it's having some impact. But I think we're very happy now that we can control it and work around it.
That's great to hear. Do you want to wind back a little bit just to offer some investors some insight here from where you were in, say, 2021 leading us into 2022? Is there any milestones that really stuck out to you?
Yeah, we've had one or two milestones. We went public in February, so we've been public now less than a year, and that was a very significant event for us. We then produced our first next resource in Brazil for 1.3 million ounces. And then we completed a PA and basically, showed that this Brazilian asset could be the lowest cost producer of gold for the first 5 years of production at 150,000 ounces a year. We published that, and now we're drilling very substantially to look at bringing this project to production. We're going to complete a feasibility by the end of the first quarter of next year. We're going to be in construction by the third quarter of next year. So we've got a lot of work that we're now following up on. We're continuing to drill like crazy to add ounces. So things are good. Things are really good.
So lots to look forward to, Mark. I appreciate these insights today.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your time as always. And happy New Year to you and your investors. And, again, we're not overwhelmed by we've outperformed our peer group, but that's not really a relevant marker for us. And I think the first quarter and the year ahead is going to be a really good one for us.
Appreciate it. On that note, folks, if you ever have any questions for Mark, let us know what you think in that comment section below. Consider subscribing for those future updates as the news comes down the wire. But stay cool, stay awesome, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.
All the best. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.